I tap on it.
Yeah.
So that's something that y'all really need to start looking in on. Not even something like this nasty, but just on a regular dent. Start listening to the dent as you're tapping down on it. What that does is it gives you an indicator. It's telling you what's going on with the metal. When you hear that's stiff, it's solid, it's stable. You hear the difference in the way, as you get metal, as you're tapping down, that it goes from a tinny, higher pitched frequency down to that thud. That thud is telling you, you better stop. I'm fixing the oil can on you, or I'm fixing to go away, or it's going to get real soft, or something along those lines. But that's an indicator. The metal's literally talking to you, telling you, you better stop. You're fixing to screw up.